and welcome to this 10th edition of Microsoft Monday. In this video, we'll explore how to troubleshoot files with a broken share link found from within our Brightspace course and how to successfully relink these files from Office 365 OneDrive using a newer preferred method. In this example, let's now focus on the document titled Sharing Presentation. When I click on this file, it will now have the option to open it from within OneDrive. When we click on the OneDrive button, the file will attempt to open up in a new browser tab, which we will now discover that there is an error with the message stating that this link has been removed. If you have recently received this error, it's because Brightspace may not recognize multiple share links that have been established from inside of our OneDrive account. Let's now go inside of OneDrive to explore further. Once you're inside of your OneDrive account, be sure to locate the file in question. Once you have discovered the location of the file, click on the three dots titled the ellipsis symbol, and then when the drop-down menu appears, click on the button called Manage Access. When the Manage Access box appears, you will now notice multiple share links that have been created for this one file. Now, this could have been done either by design, either that you have enabled the additional link, or by accident. And an example could be, let's say, during the last quadmester, a student was missing a file and you wanted to share that file directly with that student. Well, if you didn't happen to unshare the link, that is why the link is still active. For the first link, it has the permissions of any students could be able to access the link, but also edit that file. Whereas the link on the bottom, any student could open the link, but the difference here is that they can only view. By default, I'm only suggesting that students can only open and view files and not modify them, so we'll use the bottom link instead. I'll click on the copy button, which will now copy the address, all right, for us to now paste inside of our Brightspace course. Let's now head back to Brightspace, and the next step now to add the new link is to create a new document by clicking on the button like so, and we're going to look for the option called Web Link. When you select Web Link, go ahead now and paste the preferred share link, and let's give it a name, and we will call this New Presentation Share Link. The two options on the bottom, you could either embed on the page or open the file up in a new tab. I always recommend opening up in a new tab so your students could use the full browser window to access their Office 365 tools to either edit or view the document. And then we're going to click on the Save button. Once the file has been successfully saved, let's now unshare it so it's visible for our students. And when we click on the Go to OneDrive button, you will now notice that that document will open up in a new browser window and will now be fully visible for the students to view. So there you have it, folks. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. And if you've got any further questions or comments, please reach out to the TEL team. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.